I've just heard this thing start up. It is unbelievable. I've never heard an M car, even an M Light car, sound like this. So if you come over to the exhaust corner here, this is what's going on the car today. A lot of shiny metal work. First off, the guys knock it out of the park with their presentation every single time. FI have the best finish in pretty much of any company we've come across. So this is a catback system. It's effectively from the downpipe backwards. As you can see by the metalwork, there's quite a few bits at play. So you've got your main rear silencer here. This is actually a twin valve system compared to on the car at the moment, which is just a single valve. So they've supplied another one, and we reuse one that's already on the car. It's going to go here. The customer's opted for some blue titanium tips, which look absolutely amazing. It's kind of a bit more sort of Jap style titanium tips, but I actually quite like seeing them on German cars. So I'm excited to see that on the car as well. You've got a rear or a mid resonator here that then connects up to the rear silencer and various connecting pipes in between. Because obviously it's going to be a twin valve system, we've also got some extenders cable wise, which is then going to get both working together at the same time. So we're keen to get this one on the car. I'm not going to bore you with any more details. Wait till the end of the video, there's going to be a before and after rev. It does sound quite nice to start off with, factory. This thing's going to sound amazing with this kit on, so stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the film.
Big time, no man now. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me.
So the exhaust is on, and I've already heard this thing. I'm genuinely lost for words how insane this sounds. I honestly would probably say this is one of the nicest sounders BMWs, bar none, that we've ever had in our workshop. This thing is insane. It's absolutely mega. I really didn't think it would sound as good as it did. So hang fire for the B-roll in a minute, because you're going to see how aggressive and amazing this sounds. But FI again have knocked it absolutely out of the park. They've created a system that fits beautifully. It's a really nice system, this one. It sounds great in comfort mode, not too overbearing. You can shut it up, but when you stick it in the Sports Plus mode, this thing rips. You're going to enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and more than anything, if you have, give us a like and subscribe, even a share if you fancy it. But watch us or see us next time. But hang fire, you'll see the befores and afters. This thing is insane. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.